Bird and Kip, Episode 17, Goose. Bird's friend Goose was visiting. Bird and Goose talked about bird things.
I love flying,
said Bird.
Honk,
said Goose.
we love flying. Honk, honk.
Kip was not a bird. He was a chipmunk. So he couldn't talk about bird things. Bird and Goose talked and talked. Kip stood alone by the pond. He skipped stones on the water. But then Goose jumped into the water. She made a big splash.
Honk, honk.
She said.
Pardon me. Honk.
Look. People came over to the pond. They tossed pieces of bread to Goose.
Honk, honk.
Said Goose.
I don't like Goose.
Said Kip.
She's too big and too loud. I think I'll go somewhere else.
Kip wandered away from the pond. Then he walked out of the park. Bird and Goose didn't even notice.